Struggling with a GFCI outlet not resetting? You're not alone, and it's actually a pretty common headache. First off, make sure you're pressing that reset button firmly, because sometimes it just needs a good, solid push to snap back into place. If that doesn't work, double-check the wiring connections behind the outlet. Loose or messed up wiring can totally stop it from resetting properly. Turn off the power at the breaker before you poke around. Safety first, you know. Another thing is to look for any signs of damage or wear on the outlet itself. If it's old or cracked, it might just be time to replace it. Also, remember that GFCI outlets are super sensitive to moisture, so if there's any water nearby or in the box, that could be the culprit. Testing with a voltage tester or multimeter can help confirm if power is actually reaching the outlet. If you've tried all that and it's still not resetting, swapping it out for a new GFCI outlet usually does the trick. Lastly, always make sure the breaker controlling that outlet isn't tripped, because no reset button can fix a breaker switch being off. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with a GFCI outlet not resetting is ignoring the wiring connections. Faulty or loose wiring is a major cause, so always check those carefully and tighten anything loose. Another common issue is trying to reset an outlet without turning off the power first. This can be dangerous and even mess up your testing process, so flip the breaker before you start. The third problem is using a damaged or outdated GFCI outlet instead of replacing it when needed. These outlets don't last forever, and keeping an old one can cause constant reset failures or even safety risks. Fix these by giving wiring some attention, shutting off power before handling anything electrical, and swapping out old outlets once they start acting up. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. Contractors also get to connect with real clients looking for their skills, making it easier to grow their business and get steady work.